We're at the Wales Millennium Centre at Breakin The Bay 2014. Breakin The Bay is a hip-hop event designed to engage young people in the community of dance. Whether you're a beginner or you're advanced, it really doesn't matter, you know, everybody's welcome, everybody gets to battle, and the aim is to just really try and show people how positive hip-hop is.
We celebrate all the elements of hip-hop, so we're looking at MCing, breakdancing, we look at street dance as well, DJing, we get feature beatboxing in there as well, and graffiti art. That space works really well because it's a free space, so it's open to the public, and I think that's why it works, is that kind of space where you can stumble across it.
It's different to other places. There's this big damn long hall made out of marble and you're just like, I found heaven.
We challenge ourselves, we want to bring the best from around the world here to compete against the best from Wales. You know, it's an international festival.
Every time we come to Cardiff, there always seems to be a lot of kids that are really good. Instead of trying to get it tight, they just wanted to enjoy it, which is really what it's about, not about how clean the movement looks. So that was my highlight.
The crowd are amazing, right? Pawb yn just really dda, like the energy and like massive. So pawb sy'n cael hwyl, like the crowd yn mynd yn crazy. Pwysig am hip-hop yw pobl dod at ei gilydd.
What you really remember is the people you meet and the fun things you have. It's not necessarily whether you win or lose.